These are three sects of Islam: Sunnis, Shias, and Mutazilas. Sunnis, Shias, and Mutazilas. These are further subsects of the Sunni sect of Islam: Hanafi, Maliki, Shafi'i, and Hanbalis. इसको कुछ लोग हनबाली भी कहते हैं. According to me, that is incorrect. Hanbalis is correct. Hanafis, Maliki, Shafi'i, and Hanbalis. And maximum population specifically in India is of Hanafi Sunni Muslims. It is of Hanafi Sunni Muslims. Maximum population is of Hanafi Sunni Muslims. And one more thing which is very important. Whenever there is a question in the prelims, because in terms of marriage, in terms of talaq, in terms of dower, lot of things change in the sects also. ये sects कैसे आए बात की discussion है वो. Lot of things change in the sects also, and they change rapidly. If in the question in the prelims the sect is not mentioned, that whether, for example, let us say पूछा कि nikah of a Muslim man with a kitabiya is sahi, batil, fasid, none of the above. उन्होंने आपसे question पूछा. They have not mentioned whether that Muslim man is a Sunni or a Shia. Mutazilas, they are not in India. They are not in India. That is not our discussion also. उन्होंने आपको नहीं mention करा that whether that Muslim man is a Sunni or a Shia. You will always presume that the person is a Hanafi Sunni Muslim. Because when I'll explain you a lot of things, I will be explaining the difference between the subsects also. That in Malikis things differ slightly. बहुत ज़्यादा differentiation नहीं आएगा, but factually differentiation आएगा. When I'll be explaining you certain things. तो PT में अगर आपको sect नहीं पता है और उन्होंने mention नहीं करा है, presume that it is Hanafi Sunni Muslims. ठीक है? That has been the pattern of the examination. Shias में you have Ithna Ashari, which are further categorized into Akbaris and Usulis. Then Zaidis, then Ismailis, which are further categorized into Khojas and Bohras of Bombay. Fine. So these are the different sects of Islam, of Muslims: Sunnis, Shias, and Mutazilas. Sunnis are further categorized into four subsects: Hanafi Muslims, Shafis, Malikis, and Hanbalis. Then Shias, number one is Ithna Ashari, and this school of thought has two categorizations: Akbaris and Usulis. Then we have Zaidis or Zaidiyas. Then third is Ismailis. आपको थोड़ा सा यहां से कनेक्शन दिख रहा है व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट द वर्ड इस्माइल right? Ismailis, and Ismailis are further categorized into Hojas and Bohras of Bombay. Fine. This can also be definitely asked. Why did I explain this to you right now? Because intersect marriage or intersect conversion, an intersect conversion of even minors is allowed. No problem at all. No problem at all. Because there are differences as in there are differences in certain beliefs related to the Caliphate, etc. There are a lot of differences related to the belief, but one thing is clear, that all of them believe, number one, that God is one, that is Allah, and Prophet Muhammad is his Rasul. They believe in this and there is no question about it. So intersect conversion or intersect marriage is allowed. Intersect conversion of even minors is allowed. Intersect conversion of even minors is allowed. But remember, if a minor wants to convert to some other religion, for example, let us say a Hanafi Sunni Muslim wants to convert to, let us say, wants to become a Shia, they can, no problem. But if a Hanafi Sunni Muslim wants to convert to some other religion, for example, Jew, or he wants to become a Christian or a Hindu or a Jain or a Buddhist, etc., etc., then the person has to be a major. A minor cannot convert outside the religion, but a minor can have an intersect conversion. Are we clear with this?